Let's make the Disney Pretzel together for the holidays. First, in your stand mixer, add water and sprinkle yeast on top and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Use the flat beater attachment and beat it at the low speed to combine. Mix in the flour and then switch it to the dough hook attachment and knead for 5 minutes. The dough should be smooth and elastic. Put the dough in a bowl that is sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. Let it rise in a warm place for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large pot, bring 4 cups of water to boil and add 1/4 cup of baking soda. When the dough is ready after 30 minutes, put it on a lightly floured surface. Cut the dough in 4 equal pieces and shape out the Mickey 1 piece at a time. I use my Mickey cookie cutter, knife, and boba straws. I start off shaping the dough. Make 2 holes with the boba straw for the Mickey ears, and I use the knife to cut out the eye, the nose, and the mouth. Working with 1 Mickey at a time, use a large spatula and put the dough in the baking soda water. Let it poach for 15 seconds. Remove the dough and put it on the baking sheet. Brush the egg wash onto the Mickey ear, and you can sprinkle toppings on top. Bake until they're golden brown. Takes about 10 minutes. Voila, you just make yourself some Mickey ears.